In the opulent palace, Princess Amara revels in a life of luxury, oblivious to the world beyond its golden walls. Amara finds herself in a simple farmhouse, bewildered and disoriented, far away from her familiar palace. Amara observes Lucas and his family working tirelessly, their faces etched with hardship, their lives a stark contrast to her own. Amara joins Lucas in tending the fields, an unfamiliar but gratifying experience that fills her with a newfound purpose. Amara confronts her former advisor, who seeks to maintain his power and manipulates her to remain in the ordinary world. Amara ignites a spark in the hearts of those she once dismissed, uniting them to reclaim their freedom and fight against injustice. Amara emerges victorious, having dethroned her corrupt advisor, now adorned not only in regal attire but also with newfound empathy and compassion.